Welcome back to our channel. Today I got something amazing in the post and I thought I'd show you what it was. This is a bit of a clue here. Might be something to do with a shark called Bruce. So I shall show you what it is. So today I got this. Now I've been wanting one of these for a while, but I've never found one at the right price, because some people want in over £100 for one and they're not usually in good condition. But I was just having a little browse on eBay the other day and I found one and I've got it at a really good price. And so I'm going to take it out of the box and I'll show you what we've got. So this is what we've got. Everything is here. And I'll just pop that there like so. At first I was a bit dubious because the shark and the box are in really good condition. The only thing with the box is it has, some person has written their name on that side and on the lid. But apart from that, the box is in ace condition. There's not hardly any damage on it. The only damage really is the pen. So made up with that, and I've even got the original instructions with it, which are amazing, and I've even got all the genuine pieces that go with it and the hook. So all the pieces are here as well, so I've checked that. The shark, even the teeth, perfect condition. Sometimes these can yellow, but this one hasn't, and it's actually in that good a condition. I've actually messaged the man that sold me it to ask if it was real, you know, a genuine one, not a replica, because it's got all the markings on, everything, but it's just in such good condition, it's like new. Anyway, yes, he got back to me and he says he was always taught to put his toys away in the boxes after he played with them. And it's actually been sat in his loft for 45 years. So, I mean, there are signs that it is genuine, but I just couldn't believe it because it was so good. It's in such good condition. So, on the tail there, we actually have Ideal Toy Corporation and Hollis of New York 11423. And then on the other side of the tail, you've got 1975 Universal Pictures. So it is really all great condition. So what you do is load its little jaw. Obviously the elastic bands can't be genuine because they'd have rotted away over 45 years. So I've had to tighten the elastic bands because they're a bit big. So you put these in, and then the idea is to take them out, and the one who makes the mouth shut is the loser. So you take them out with a hook. Like I said, I don't know if this will work because I've actually had to tighten the elastic band. Get your lantern. Got your fish. There's a bottle. There is, oh, got two there. An anchor. That's right, an anchor. A camera. A bone. A wheel. Oh, there you go. So it actually worked tightening the elastic bands up, but everything. And a major thing about this is obviously it hasn't been around smokers because the box is not yellowed in any way. Even the box is not damaged. It's just, like I say, just the writing on the top of the box. Can you see? And then it's on that side as well. But apart from that, absolute bargain. but it will be looked after. I'll keep it nice and safe, I'm sure I will. I'll insert a video of me and Baz playing it the night before, because we did already film this vlog, but due to sound issues I've had to redo it. But yeah, so well impressed. It'll go to my collection. Any of you out there do want me to look after your Joe stuff, feel free to send me it. Yep. But thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up or a like or a share, and please subscribe if you haven't already. We have got some awesome stuff planned this year, and we will be at Morecambe Comic Con in April. So if you haven't got it in your diary, pop along, because it's a really good day out. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Yeah, we will. Bye. Okay, so me and Baz are gonna have a go on the shark game, which I'm still amazed that it's in really, really good condition.
It is, it's minty, is that?
I'm a bit, it's too good to be true.
Because there's no marks or anything.
No.
Oh, hang on, we've got marks on the tail.
Right. So the aim of the game is to get these out the shark's mouth. The one that makes the mouth shut is the loser. Do you want to go first?
I'll go first. I don't mind. Right. Going to go for this little hand here.
Is that Ben Gardner's hand?
Right, so we got the hand.
I'm going to go for
the camera.
The camera.
Typical Tina. Limelight. I'm going to get this little dude because it's easy.
Lantern.
A little lantern. Which is cute.
I'm going to go for the...
Ooh.
The little ball.
Of rum. Think I might get
Oh,
I have to put that back. I'll carry on regardless. Hard to get that phone.
it is, isn't it? Because it's got a really small hole.
Yeah. I'll get out.
There you go. See, look, it's got a really small hole.
Yeah, very hard to get.
Okay. Zaya.
Boo. Boo.
Boot.
Yeah, most of them are quite easy to get out. It's just that phone.
So we know as well the elastic bands,
Tricky.
they're obviously not genuine, so I think they're a bit too big, but... Oh.
Get a little bit of a lift.
Oh.
I'm going. Get through.
Oh. We'll do this, we'll get to the end and the mouth won't even shut.
Anchor.
An anchor.
Anchor's away. What are you going for?
Actually, no, I'm going to go for the gun.
Let's go for the gun. Says a lot about your personality, though.
Does it? Oh. I don't think the elastic bands are big, small enough.
No, I don't think they are.
But
We shall endeavour to entertain you.
yes.
Oh, there we go. Got you.
leave that hanging out.
Yep. And that's the game. So yeah, good purchase.
That's pretty cute, isn't it? You get all these. But I'm still going to do some research on the markings on that, because that is in too good a condition in my eyes.
Yeah, you'd expect some fading, and especially.
I mean, I might have just got lucky, but
with like the skull and even the teeth.
yeah.
Yeah, you'd expect a little bit of yellowing, but it's in perfect condition, which
It is really, really good condition.
you wonder.